arriving here in Tagbilaran, Bohol, meron po silang checkpoints, mga dala nyo pong bag. And so, my boyfriend super ready to wait our private van. Ayan po. Yung private van po namin, I think 1,500 po yung price dyan. Siyempre, di pwede na wala po akong video. Kailangan pong videoan ako na umaakit po sa van. Ayan po, napapala. Puti na lang bilis ng kamay ng boyfriend ko. Ayan. O diba? Siya po ata yung napahala. Ayan, so papunta na po kami ng Bonavita at ito po yung mag-welcome sa inyo, yung mga aso. Yes, tama po kayo, may aso at pusa na mag-welcome sa inyo sa entrance. So hindi po mapagkaila na yung may-ari po nito ay mahilig sa mga hayop kagaya ng pusa at mga aso. Ayan, nasa labas po sila but actually they are welcome to in and out sa resort na yan. Okay, before you check in of this resort, make sure that you are a pet lover because if you're not, then you are not enjoying your stay. So make sure na you are aware of this resort. Actually, the dogs are very friendly and so lovely to welcome you. So ayan, pagod ka sa travel mo pero pagdating sa Bonavita, ito po yung makikita nyo pong mga dogs. So nakakawala po ng pagod actually. Ayan, at nakakawala po ng mga stress pag ito po yung makikita nyo. Very welcoming dog and pet. Ayan guys, so I am ready and we are ready to our first lag sa Alona Beach guys. And this is the beautiful beach here in Panglao. Ayan.
You like it here in Panglao, Di? Oh yes. Oh yeah. He likes it here. First time walking in Panglao.
First time lag with my boyfriend, of course, with holding hands pa yan, guys. And our second night here in Bonavita Resort. Ayan, guys, finiflex ko lang yung sarili ko. This is the background in Bonavita Resort at night. Ang ganda, diba? Peaceful naman dyan. Tahimik na rin yung mga dogs and cats. They are sleeping already and we have to go to dinner at Alona. Ayan, so this is our last night and it's raining. Ayan guys, so napakaganda po ng swimming pool nila at night. Iba't ibang klaseng color na makikita. Ayan, diba mayroong mga for kids swimming pool and for adult. Dapat marunong kang lumangoy guys kasi malalim po yan. And I'm so much happy na na-meet ko sila after how many years? Since 2015 or 16. Ayan, si Edeline and Chorito. Of course with my boyfriend. I can smell the good people.
But they do not look like street dog. Maybe there's other owner with worse food.
Yeah. Oh, they don't have moral like that.
Siyempre di papahuli itong pinakamaliit at pinakamakulit na asong ito. At trip niya talagang kagat-kagatin yung mahaba kong palda. Ayan, ayan at dinampot na po siya ng may-ari ng resort.
Hi! We're here in Bonavita Resort. Invite all of you to come here in Bonavita.